In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Confluence that jump to a specific section. Anchor links help your readers skip straight to the content they care about, which is especially useful on long documentation pages. We'll walk through the exact flow from setting up the spot you want to jump to, grabbing the link and placing it where users will click, all the way to publishing and testing the result. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to use an anchor. Make sure you have edit permissions on the page. Once you're on the right page, click Edit to enter the editor. Working in edit mode ensures any anchors or headings you add are captured when you publish. Now navigate to the section you want people to jump to. If it doesn't have a clear label yet, this is a good time to think about the exact wording you want users to land on, so the jump feels intentional and obvious. Add an anchor or a heading to that section. The simplest option is to add a heading. Headings in Confluence can act like anchors because they generate a linkable target. Choose a heading level that fits your page hierarchy, then give it a concise, unique title. If your Confluence has the anchor macro available, you can insert it and provide a short, unique anchor name. Avoid spaces and special characters in the anchor name to keep links clean and reliable. Next, copy the link to that anchor or section. If you used a heading, hover near the heading until you see the link icon, then copy the heading link. Alternatively, use the share option and copy the URL that includes the section fragment. If you used the anchor macro, the link will be your page URL followed by a hash and the anchor name. Either way, you're looking for a URL that ends with the part that identifies your target. Paste the anchor link where users should click. This could be at the top of the page as a quick jump list, inside a table of contents area, or in line within a sentence. Highlight the text that should become clickable, add the link, and use descriptive wording so readers know exactly where the link will take them. Finally, publish the page and test that the link jumps to the correct section. Click the link as a reader would and confirm the page scrolls to the right spot. If it doesn't, double-check the anchor name or heading text, update the link if you changed the target, and publish again. Once everything works, you've got a clean, user-friendly way to guide readers to the right information fast.